Circulatory system, or also known as cardiovascular system, is a vital system in our body. The three major structures of the cardiovascular system are heart, blood, and blood vessels. This network circulates blood throughout the body, supplies tissues in the body with oxygen and other nutrients, transport hormones, while removing carbon dioxide and other metabolic waste products. Note that it is a non-stop cycle. Alright, there are two types of circulatory routes. The first one is pulmonary circulation, which is a short loop that carries oxygen-depleted blood from the heart to the lungs and back to the heart again. And the second one is systemic circulation that carries oxygenated blood from the heart to all parts of the body and back to the heart again. To know more about the organs and structures of the circulatory system, let's go and meet our friends now.
I just realized which of my body parts making this sound.
Hi everyone, I'm the heart. Oh, I made this lap-dap sound. So before I explaining how this lap-dap produced, let me introduce you myself first. So, I live in the center of the circulatory system. Don't worry about this sound. I usually beat 60 to 100 times per minute. So, with each heartbeat, I will send the blood throughout the body and provide the oxygen to every cell. Psst, I have a superpower. I can adjust the muscle contraction for regular pumping rhythm. When I see something interesting, I have three main layers, which are myocardium, endocardium, and epicardium. Introduce you my game, the four ultimate chambers. So, there are two on the top and two in the bottom. The two top chambers are the right atrium and also the left atrium. So, the atria are the receiving chambers. While for the two bottom chambers are the right ventricle and left ventricle. So, these ventricles are the pumping chambers. In short, I'm divided into right and left side by a wall called endoventricular septum. You still wanna know how this lap-dap is produced? Wait a minute, I will call someone. Hey Wolf, can you do your job?
What? Me?
Then?
It's okay, no angry. Hi everyone, I am Mr. Wolf. Heart has 4 types of wolves. So yeah, I have 4 siblings. Hoo-hoo. Let me introduce to you guys the wolf siblings. The pulmonary wolf, aortic valve, mitral valve, and tricuspid valve. Our main work is to keep blood moving through the heart in one direction and prevent backflow of blood. A lot of work, man, seriously. No joke. I know you all are waiting to know about the lap-dap sound of heart, right? Lap-dap sound of heart is caused by the closing of valves. Lap, the first sound, is produced when the mitral and tricuspid valves are closed, while dap, the second sound, is caused by the closure of aortic and pulmonary valves. Oh, before you go, here is some unknown fact. Heart also can produce other types of sounds like S3, S4, and murmur. These abnormal sounds can indicate problems with the health of valves. Be aware.
Oh, as Anna is sending some sickness to me. Okay, guys, do you all know how the heartbeat are controlled? Heartbeat are controlled by a system of electrical signals produced by electrical nodes.
Yo, what's up everyone? I am the SA nerd yo. Well man, I am the pacemaker. P to A to C to the E. Pacemaker. I can set the rate of the heartbeat and cause the rest of the heart to contract in the rhythm. Here is where I'm living. I'm embedded in the wall of the right atrium. Well, tell you man, I generate and send signals to start the contraction of the heart muscle and pumping of blood. It's great, isn't it? Electrical impulse makes the atria contract first. Then the impulse travels down to the AV node known as the relay station. From here, the electrical signal travels through the right and left ventricle, making them contract and driving the blood into the arteries.
Now I got the idea how does that sound is making from my body. So basically it comes from my heart. But now I wonder again, how does my blood is transported into my whole body? Do you guys know it?
Ish, can this man stop wondering? Well, they call me artery. I am the strongest of all the blood vessels. Why, you ask? It is because I have thick walls, which give me strength for high blood pressure of pumping blood. And also, I got elastic walls to maintain the blood pressure even when the heart relaxes. Aorta is my largest artery. Okay? Remember kids, my job is to carry the oxygenated blood away from the heart. Hey capillary, why don't you introduce yourself to them?
Sure, Artery. Hello everyone, I am Miss Capillary. I'm made up of networks of tiny vessels that connects the artery and the vein. My walls are highly permeable because they allow the exchange of oxygens, nutrients, fluids, carbon dioxide, and other waste products to pass through and form an organ. Do you guys know one thing about me? The exchange of oxygens and carbon dioxide are actually occurring inside me. Wonderful, right? Vane, where are you? Are you there?
Yeah, I'm here. Hi there, I am the vein, a type of blood vessels. I carry the oxygenated blood back to the heart. The blood lacks of oxygen, and is rich in waste product that excreted by body tissue. I also have a thin walls that which is different with my friends artery. It is because the blood needs to travel back to the heart in low pressure. I also have one more thing. I have valve in me.
Hola guys, I am the blood. I am the opaque red fluid flowing all over the body. I can say that I am the most important component in human body because this man can die within minutes if I stop flowing. I am both tissue and fluid. Unique, isn't it? I am a tissue because I am composed of a collection of specialized cells that serve particular functions, which are red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. These cells are suspended in the liquid matrix known as plasma, which make me the blood fluid. My main job is to transport oxygen and nutrients to the cells and carry away carbon dioxide and other waste products from them. You know what? I really love my job. Oh my god, Shaki is bleeding. Platelets, where are you? It's an emergency here. Immediately go and stop Shaki's bleeding.
Yes, I'm here. I have received the signals. I am now working with my team members trying to stop Shaki's bleeding.
I feel so tired. Hey guys, do you all wonder how we actually stopped Shaki's bleeding just now? Before letting you all know about that, let me introduce myself first. Hi, I am the platelet, the smallest cell of the blood. I am highly involved in homeostasis, the prevention and control of bleeding. Me and my team members will be activated immediately after the lining of the blood vessel is injured. We will then accumulate at the site of injury and plug the wound to stop the bleeding.
Uncle, are you alright? Do you have any medicine with you? No, I can't feel my arms and legs. Now my lower back is hurt so much. But don't worry, I have my medicine, which is flavostatin. But can you call my ambulance? Okay, wait uncle, I will call an ambulance. Hello? Yes. I need an ambulance. Yes. A man in his 60s is having sudden numbness in his arms and legs. And shortness of breath. And lower back pain. Yes. I need it as soon as possible.
Few moments later.
Hey, do you have any ideas about the medicine that called flavostatin?
Oh,
My grandpa consumes it every day for his illness. Like, well, fluvastatin is a member of the drug class 13 that is usually prescribed by the people with atherosclerosis.
Oh yes, now I remember it. That the heart disease is involved in the arteries, right? Yes.
Yep, atherosclerosis is a disease in which the plaque is built up inside your arteries. And after sometimes, the plaque will hardens and it will narrow your arteries channel. And this is very bad situation, Shaki, because it will limit the oxygen-rich blood to flow to your body, to other part of your organs. It's not just like that. It comes with hypertension, heart attack, the risk of heart attack, and also stroke. But Shakir, I'm just curious, what is the specific reason behind the question of yours?
Nothing much. Just now, for this morning, I called an ambulance for this old man about 60s. So because he has trouble to move and breathe, yes. So then I found out he has a fluvastatin with him. So I guess he has atherosclerosis, like you have explained just now. So thank you for your explanation, that which give me an ideas about this.
Oh, Birdie. Hi, Birdie.
Hi. Hello.
Hey, Vin. What is that weird looking heart? Oh. Oh, wait, you're right. Okay, never mind. Let me ask them. Excuse me? May I know what are you guys?
I'm fish atrium. I'm fish ventricle.
Well, hello. I'm the most gorgeous atrium in the world. Not just amphibian. Call me Atherosclerosis.
Oh, Lord. You gotta be kidding me.
Hi everyone, I'm Amphibian Vertical and I love chocolate.
Okay, who's next? Hello? Anybody there?
Oh, it's my turn already? Sorry for that. Well, I am the reptile's atria. Well, grainy atria.
Annyeonghaseyo, beautiful ladies. I am the reptile's ventricle, Ventricle Casano.
Great. It was really nice to know everyone. But honestly, you guys look so weird and kinda unreal.
Excuse me? I hear you. You tell me that I look fake? Duh. I am the real Atria here, okay? It's you, the fake one. Yeah, look at us. Why everyone is so loud? Everyone is fighting. Excuse me? Who's that? I hear you. You tell me that
have a headache just hearing all of this argument. It's so noisy. And one more thing. Don't you know that this argument just invading other organs' privacy? Don't you know that? Now I want each one of you, all of you, to follow me to the card of heartbeat. And yes, you too, Birdie, don't forget about that. Let's go. Don't waste your time. Your Honor, ladies and gentlemen, I am Detective Conan, representing all the atria and ventricles of different animals. We are here today to justify the role of atria and ventricles in their respective circulatory system, and also we want to release the tension between them.
You guys are confusing me too, so yes. Please proceed. We shall start with fish representative.
Thank you, Your Honor. Firstly, I would like to tell everyone that I was alone together with 3 other chambers of the fish heart. Shout out to my colleagues, sinus venosus, corneus, obulbus arteriosus, and ventricles who is here with me today. In fact, we are totally different as we carry out single circulation, only systemic circulation.
Oh, really? How?
Here, listen. Blood passes the heart first, then proceed to the gills for gases exchange. Now, the oxygenated blood will be distributed to all parts of the body and return to the heart. Simple, isn't it? Heh.
Heard you clear enough. Moving on to amphibian representative.
Sorry to interrupt, but I would like to point out that amphibians, reptiles, and birds have 2 types of circulatory system, which are pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation.
Well, hi, to be frank, I actually have a twins back at home. I would be the right atrium and she would be the left atrium. Oh, not to forget, I have a nerdy friend here, a ventricle. She would take care of the mixture of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood.
And I work alone. We only have 3 chambers in amphibian's heart. Oh, yeah, we also have corneus arteriosus like fish, but it connects me to the pulmonary artery for pulmonary circulation. So basically, the blood journey would be right atrium to ventricle to left atrium and to ventricle again, and finally to the whole body.
Good job, Vanti. Wonderful explanation. Your Honor, it seems like the reptiles has 3-chambered heart as well. So I wonder how they are actually distinct from us.
Oh, sweetheart, I am the right atrium, and my little sister is the left atrium. She is smaller than me. Mr. Ventricle Casano, would you like to explain yourself?
Yes, Granny. I confidently say that I am the coolest solo ventricle of all, because I have 3 cavities within me.
Returning to Miss Kardashian's question, we are different in terms of the blood movement in the ventricle, because oxygenated and deoxygenated blood are not mixed in the ventricle. Well, they go like this. Right atrium, cavum pulmonale, lung. Left atrium, cavum arteriosum, cavum venosum, and finally to the whole body through the aorta.
Oh, okay. I acknowledge that, Granny.
Alright now, the most complex organism, but a mammal representative, please proceed.
Well, I believe the audience knows well already of our whole team that consists of 4 distinct chambers. Here, I just would like to point out that auricles are actually the kids of the atrium because they arise from the atrium and they have a totally different functions from atrium. I'm talking about the lactinodes.
We are the most organized circulatory system as we have no mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Everything is well separated by the interventricular septum. I am so proud. In brief, the deoxygenated blood will enter the right atrium, right ventricle, lungs, and the oxygenated blood will enter the left atrium, left ventricle, and to the rest of the body via aorta.
Alright, now that everyone have explained themselves, I'm pretty much convinced that despite us being similar in some ways, all of us actually have specific function and importance in the respective animal circulatory system. So we don't have to fight anymore, and I guess this will be the end of our misunderstanding.
Therefore, we can conclude that each atria and ventricle are specific and belong to different group of animals. The case is closed and the court dismissed.